This is the 4-in-1 main shaft truing tool, and what we're going to demonstrate right now is one of the things this tool will do is replace the rear rotor shaft pulley. So the first thing you want to do is you take your bent shaft with the old pulley on it, place it in the tool like that. You take your new shaft and you place it in the tool here. You install the pusher like that, and now what's going to happen is you push down with this Allen wrench on the new shaft. It's going to be pushing out the old shaft at the same time installing the new shaft, there you go, onto the pulley. And as you can see, that takes about 30 seconds. And when this pushing screw bottoms out, it locates the pulley and the shaft at the exact location, so you don't have to worry about location. And there you go. You've got your new shaft on your old pulley, and it's completely lined up where it's needed to be. And maybe in the next video I'll show you how to use the tool for aligning, straightening the main shaft of your helicopter. Very cool.